Merry Christmas.
What would you like from Santa this year?
I want Pillow Pig.
What else?
This is Dora makeup. And this is Dora.
Look at me.
Dora.
Look at me.
This is Dora makeup. And this is Dora mirror. And this is Dora brush. And
What else would you like?
and wash our hands. And this is Dora makeup. And this is Dora this is Dora go potty. And this is Dora that.
Okay, what do you say? Say Merry.
Merry Christmas.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Say bye-bye.